what will we learn? Today we will learn to build a small story with the help of these words from 3-letter words of the app family from Group 1 and Group 2 letters. Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. First, let us revise the words from the app family with Monami. Are you ready Monami? Yes. Are you ready children? Okay, so let's start. Let us revise and then we will think how to build up a story with these words. Map. Map. Tap. Tap. Nap. Nap. Cap. Cap. Wrap. Wrap. Sap. Sap. Now let us say the sound of the first letter and we will pronounce the last 2 letters together. App. Map. App. Map. App. Tap. App. Tap. App. Cap. App. Cap. App. Sap. App. Sap. App. Nap. App. Nap. App. Wrap. App. Wrap. Now we will revise the sight words. H-I-S, his. I-N, in. H-E, he. T-H-E, the. N-E-A-R, near. A-N-D, and. T-H-E-N, then. Now it's time to build up our story. Monami, what do you think the story will be about? This boy? Yes, this boy. Right. So let us make the story with this boy. A boy with a cap. So let's start. So let's read our story. A boy lost his way in the jungle. He was tired and thirsty. After a while, he saw a tap near a big tree. He drank some water and then he took a nap. When he woke up, he saw an old lady with a bucket full of sap. The boy took out a map from his pocket and asked the lady politely, "Granny, where am I on this map?" The kind lady helped him find his way. The boy was happy. He put on his cap and started humming a rap. Now, Monami, let us read it together. A boy lost his way in the jungle. He was tired and thirsty. After a while, he saw a tap near a big tree. He drank some water. And then he took a nap. He took a nap. When he woke up, he saw an old lady. With a bucket full of sap. The boy took out a map from his pocket and asked the old lady politely. "Granny, where am I on this map?"
Where
Am I on this map?
am I on this map?
The kind lady helped him find his way. The boy was happy. He put on his cap and started humming a rap. Well done, children. In our next episode, we will enjoy another story like this. Till then, bye.
And friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye.